Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Chances are high that this is the first time you see my face, since up until now I've been only posting do-it-yourself tutorials and time-lapse videos, but this time I decided to try something new. So today is officially the first episode of small business / studio vlog. I'm really excited about it. I started my small business back in February 2020. And since then I've had a lot of very happy, very exciting and very frustrating moments as well. So I thought it would be interesting for you guys to have a look behind the scenes, to see what I get to do on a daily basis, the struggles that I'm facing and so on. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Let me know if you like this type of content, if you find it helpful and enjoyable. And yeah, let's get started. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time is stamp carving. So I thought I'd try and make stamps with my new brand name. I thought it would be cool to have a few different ones, for example, for when I need to stamp thank you cards, or for example, when I package my products, I could also use a bigger stamp on a box. So I kind of got obsessed with an idea of making a few stamps myself, and I ordered a starter kit for stamp carving, which includes a carving block made of rubber and some tools, which is basically a wooden handle with different blades which allow you to cut under different angles and so on. And I will also need my designs printed out on paper so that I can transfer them on rubber and then carve out the parts that I basically don't need. I don't know if that's a good explanation, but yeah, I already tried carving stamps before, but I made a lot of mistakes. I had a rubber which was too soft and my tools were not sharp enough, so I hope this time I can avoid these mistakes, but yeah, let's see how that goes. So what I'm going to do next is put together an Illustrator file with all of my designs, scale them to the size that I want them to be, and print them out on paper so that I can transfer them onto rubber. I take my image, I flip it, I put it onto the rubber with the ink part facing downwards, and I'm going to put rubbing alcohol and basically soak the paper in it. And this will allow me to get an ink imprint on the rubber, which will be reflected, so that when I use my stamp, I get an actual original design. now I have my design traced onto the rubber, and I still need to cut out this piece so that it's easier to carve. Alright, so now I can get to carving. So what I have left to do is to remove all of this surface so that only the elements of design are elevated. Yeah, and then afterwards we can test the stamp. Alright, so my stamp is ready, and now is the moment of truth. I think it's not bad. Pretty happy with how it turned out. These rough lines make it look like it's hand-drawn. I'm definitely going to try again with larger shapes and variations of logo icon and text, but I still have some things planned for today, so this is going to be another time. The next thing on my to-do list is making some earrings designs. Recently I started creating beaded jewelry and I really love it. So I'm going to sketch some ideas and perhaps start creating a new design right away. Next, I switch from paper to my laptop and start working in a software that allows me to draw patterns for beaded jewelry. One of the designs I created is a beaded ring with moon phases. Next, I'm going to start working on a prototype. It can take anywhere from half an hour to 3-4 hours to finish one piece. I'm very happy with how this ring turned out. I think the colors fit together very well. In the next few days I will try to figure out which sizes I can produce. I will also need to take product photos and add this item to the shop. It's getting dark, so I will stop recording soon, but I will work for the rest of the evening on some designs for my new website, since I plan to move away from Etsy in the nearest future. I use Sketch to create some screens. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if there are any topics that you want me to discuss in the future episodes of Small Business Vlog. Perhaps there are questions that you want me to answer, or there is something specific that interests you. Please feel free to drop your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you wanted to do so but forgot. And I hope to see you again next week.